Hey everyone, this is my review for the Anker RoboVac 10 automated house cleaning robot. I have to say, when I heard that Anker was introducing a robotic vacuum cleaner, I was very interested because I'm only used to Anker when it comes to battery chargers, phone accessories, accessories for computers and what have you. So this really piqued my interest, and I know we're all probably accustomed to seeing other household robotic vacuum cleaners out in specialty home stores or other electronic stores. So I wanted to see how this compared to the others. I do have experience from using other robotic vacuum cleaners such as iRobots, the Roombas, and even years ago I had the Scubas from iRobot, which actually so-called mopped your floors. But I'm going to do a unboxing for the first minute or so and then pause it and then come back with my review after I've had it running for an hour or so and let you know what I think about it. So here we go, right off with the presentation. Again, as I continue to say in every review, Anker really takes pride in their presentation, and it comes, you know, just from the box in general. It's not some shoddy box. It's very simple. I love the blue and white box. It's almost like a suitcase. You could carry it like that. And I'm going to do this, sorry, with one hand. Let's see here. So you go to unbox it. Here you got your instruction manual. Some packing material. And here we have the star, the review here. The robot vacuum itself. You can see that it's black in color, circular in size. This is some plastic that I'll be removing in a moment. On the front, you have the sensor. This is what senses when it's going to either get close to your stairs or furniture, the wall, so it doesn't bump into it. On the back, you've got the rollers, which move up and down so that they're easy to go from, you know, whether it's carpeting to hardwood floor, what have you. You've got your brush, and you've got your side brushes. This also is the suction. And you've got your track. It helps it move around. Okay. Also in the box, we've got extra side brushes. We've got an extra filter, a cleaning tool. You've got the remote control itself that you can schedule cleanings, or you could just, you know, start it and stop it and move it around yourself. You've got the docking station, which it'll sit to recharge and go to after each cleaning. And you've got the power cable. So that's the unboxing right now. I have to say, just from looking at the contents of the box, I'm not used to a company that would actually go ahead and give you extra brushes and filters, because those can also cost you quite a bit of money, and I can speak on that again just from using the other robotic vacuums that are out there. So again, I'm going to take a while to give this a test run throughout my apartment, and I will be back with you shortly. It'll be shortly for you because it's just going to be a quick pause, but I'll, you know, mess around with the Anker RoboVac 10 for a few hours, and I'll come back with you to give you my review. Hey everyone, real quickly, as I've just now taken off the plastic on top of the RoboVac and I've looked over the welcome guide real quickly here, I wanted to also show you, before I got started, that the actual dust collector bin, which is located right here after it's finished cleaning your apartment or house. All the contents will be inside there. There you can see your HEPA filter. You just take it over to your trash bin. You press the button, and forgive me as I'm doing this with one hand. All the contents will be inside, and you can just dump it out. And it snaps right back in. And I also wanted to point out, unlike most of the robot vacuums that are out there, the accessories and the maintenance can be somewhat expensive at times, especially when it comes to replacing the brushes and what have you, which is why I'm very excited that that Anker gives you 2 additional side brushes. And to just clean this brush here, it snaps open. You can take the brush itself out, clean it, either wash it, what have you, let it dry. Then after it's dry, you can just snap it back in. And you're good to go. Also, you want to make sure that these contact sensors here are clean as well, so that they can go on the charging plate once the robot vacuum is ready to be charged. All right, be back in a moment. Hey everyone, I'm back with the final part of the video here, and I have kept my new housekeeper busy all day long, all afternoon. I've had to recharge the battery a couple times, and as you can see now, it's in the dock, fully charged, which is indicated by the green light on top of the RoboVac. Whenever the actual battery needs charging, if it's been depleted, when it's sitting in the dock, it'll be flashing kind of an amber or orange color, indicating that it is charging. I have put it through its paces all day long. Like I said, it's the end of the day, and if you're on the fence about making this purchase, don't be. I have kind of laminated flooring and thick carpet throughout my apartment, and hair, dirt, or dust, it's not a problem for the RoboVac at all. It's very minimal noise while it's running. The scheduling timer on the remote's very easy to set, and when it is time for it to go back to the dock, whether it's done by the press of the remote myself or on its own, it's very easy to go to the dock without any issue. To clean the brushes and to empty the bins, very easy. And again, it just really does a very nice job throughout my apartment. I'll quickly show you here on the remote itself. At the top, you have the word plan, and that is the time that I've set for it to automatically go, which is noon tomorrow. The bottom part is the clock, which it's now 11:46 in the evening. You've got your directional buttons. While it's running, you can control it yourself, up, down, left, right. This starts and stops the RoboVac. The plan and clock, you just press those and you can adjust the times accordingly. You've got this button here, which is for spot cleaning in a particular area. This button sends a signal for it to go home, and this is an edge-to-edge cleaning. I'll quickly just press the button and give you a quick little show. You can see again it's underneath my side table here. Whenever it reaches an obstacle, a piece of furniture, it gently taps it with the bumper guards in place. Again, not a lot of noise at all, so you can feel comfortable. If you are at home watching television, no trouble whatsoever. I'll quickly press the home button. It sends a signal to the machine to dock itself. Also, the indicator has changed from a green color to that orange amber color. And once it's docked, it's all set. There we have it. And I'll just quickly show you the carpeting that I have going up to the edge of the tile flooring. Absolutely no trouble at all for the RoboVac. I'm very, very pleased. I highly recommend it. The only thing that I would probably recommend for Anker in the future with this item would be to hopefully in the near future to have the virtual walls like the iRobot has, so that if I don't want the RoboVac to go throughout other rooms of the house or apartment, it's isolated to one area. You know, for example, if I'm wanting it just to clean here in the living room, that it won't go to the hallway or go to the kitchen or any other room throughout the apartment. So the virtual walls would be a good idea to possibly come up with in the next generation for the RoboVac. And also on the remote itself, a suggestion would be when it comes to the programming, if I don't want it to run at noon every day, maybe if I want it to run, 3 times a week, whether it's Monday, Wednesday, and Friday, maybe you can have it scheduled at certain days of the week. But other than that, I am in love with my new housekeeper, the RoboVac 10 from Anker. Please feel free to like, comment, and subscribe. I will also leave a comment, or I should say I'll leave a link in the description of the video to show you where you can pick the RoboVac up. I do want to thank Anker for supplying a sample of the RoboVac for testing and evaluation in exchange for my fair and honest review. Thanks again, Anker, and again, everyone, please pick up the RoboVac 10.